Welcome to Kathleen Place 5, located right at the boundary of Molino Bacoor and Las Piñas. We're here at Block 3, Lot 48, a corner lot unit with a lot area of 127 square meters and a floor area of 118 square meters. What makes this unit stand out? Una, nasa harap siya mismo ng gate and guardhouse, so parang may sarili ka ng private security, safe and very convenient. Second, it's also right in front of the commercial area. So everything you need is just a few steps away. Super accessible for daily essentials. If you're looking for an RFO house and lot na strategic ang location, secure, and highly convenient, this is your sign to check this out. Halika na! Tripping na tayo. Baka ito na ang first home mo. For as low as 3% down payment, plus may 7% discount ka pa. Reserve your unit now and start preparing your documents for bank financing. Message me today to schedule your site viewing. Bahay ba? Halika! Tripping tayo.